Hi friends, welcome to the cutting and sewing of this Queen Anne's neckline bustier dress with a Basque waistline, and it's beginner friendly. Let's get started.
Hey faves, welcome back to Ronix Fashion.
Here is my organza fabric. You need about 1.5 yard for this. 1.5 yard. You need a yard of chantilly net, your African print, and then your lining. And here is my zipper. For my starting line, I'll measure my bust line 11 inches. Under bust line, my waistline 18 inches. Then my Basque line 21 inches. I'm just going to roll this line across. I'm just going to label that I have my bust line, my under bust line, my waistline, my Basque effects, my Basque waistline. I'm just going to measure my shoulder divided by 2, 7.5. I'll only measure the width first. The width is 3.5. I'll come down by 1 inch for my shoulder slope. I'll connect this point to this point. From that point, I'll mark my armhole depth. Depth is bust divided by 6 plus 1.5. For me, I have 7.8. So I'll add into 8 inches. I'll divide whatever I have into 2. I have 4 inches. I'll come in by half an inch. Bust span measurement. My bust span is 8 inches. Divided by 2. I have 4. I'm just going to take that straight downward and divide it by 2, and also connect it to this. On this side of my under bust, I'll measure half an inch. I'll measure 1 inch here. I'll measure half an inch. 1 inch. Then to give the bust room, I'll connect this point to this point, this point to this point. I'll determine my neckline. For my shoulder, I'll mark 7 inches. Okay, so I'm just going to do the over bust tightening. So I took 1.5 here, 0.7 on both sides, 0.75 on both sides of my dart line. I'll connect this point to the bust point. I'll connect this to the bust point. Since it's a Queen Anne neckline, I'll connect this dart leg to this point. You want to make sure that these dart legs are equal. Here I have 4 inches. Now here I have 4.25. So you are just going to increase this point by 0.25. 38 divided by 4, we have 9.5 plus 9.5 plus about 1 inch here as 10.5. 10.5. My under bust is 32 divided by 4. I have 8 inches plus this 1.5 we took earlier. I have 9.5. My waist is 36 divided by 4. I have 9 plus this 1.5 we have here. I have 10.5. What's that? What that is the difference between the back length and your front length. Your bust line come down by 2 inches. From this point down to this point with the slant. Cutting straight. I forgot to add this back here. Add it, please. Neckline, shoulder. This point, notch this point, notch this point, notch this point, notch this point. And leave it. And I'll use my plastic to. So we have now to cut your breast pad. from this point, come down by 1 inch, and then you cut a full first part. Okay, you cut a full for the center, and then you come down from this point by 1 inch also. Okay, you go in from this point by 4 inches, then you connect this point to this point like so, like this. You connect this point to this point. So this is going to be for your bust pad. All right, and then you are through with the front pattern as shown. Then you cut your fabric and add your seam allowances to all your points. So when you bring it together like this, you will see shortage. To avoid that, you have to join a paper, bring the points together like so. I just want to cut your fabrics. So this is my zipper allowance. From this starting point, I'll measure my shoulder divided by 2 here, and then I'll come down by 1 inch for my that allowance. I'll measure my armhole line, which is 8 inches like we have on the front, my 3.5 for my neck opening. All right, so I'll connect all these points together. My waistline for the front was 18 inches, 16 inches. So 4 divided by 4, I have 9.5. Span measurement divided by 2, 4 inches. I'll come down from this point by 2 inches. That intake is 1.5, so I'll place that on both sides of the line. The neck opening, come down by 1 inch, come down by 1 inch again, inch. Now for the back opening, depending on how opened you want yours to look like. For me, I don't want it to open, so I'm just going to do from this part. I'll come in by 3.5. I'll connect this point to this point. My waistline, to do my zipper tightening, on this point I came in by half an inch, and I'm going to connect straight back up. I have 9.5 here plus 2 inches stitching allowance. On my waist divided by 4, that's 9 plus this 1 inch, half and 1.5 plus the half here, so we have 1.5 half inch. That means we have 2 inches, that's intake. So I'm just going to add that to my measurement. So 9 plus 2 inches, 1, 2, we have 11 inches plus 2 inches stitching allowance. Just going to connect that side. So I'm just going to cut this on fabric, and I'll show us what it's looking like.
On my front pattern, here on the side I have 2 inches stitching allowance. Here I have 0.75, 0.75, and from this point down to this part I have half inch stitching allowance round. And for the yoke I have 4 pieces cut out, 1 lining, 1 fabric. Now on the back pattern I have half an inch round it. I did the same on the lining fabric, so I'm just going to start joining now. So to join, you're just going to do the exact thing I did in this video. Now go ahead to place the notch of this side front to the notch on the center front as shown. You pin this down, then you stitch by half an inch on both sides of the center front as shown in the video. And same goes for the lining. Now on the back piece, I went ahead to place a notch on the dart leg as shown. So I open up my fabric as shown. Right side is facing me. So now I will place my lining on it as shown, and then I'll stitch it down by half an inch on this point. Mark the half an inch down just so that you know the exact point to stitch down. I'll stitch half an inch on both sides as shown. Okay faves, here is what the bustier is looking like. Even without heavy padding, we have this look. Now place your yoke as shown exactly on the bust dart. Pin it down just so that it is stable, and then put your lining fabric on it and I stitch it as shown in the video. So I started my stitching from the center as shown. And here is the look after stitching. After stitching the back pattern, go ahead to knot all of these points and turn it over to the right side. So here, create your buttonhole and attach your button. Then here, you will sew in your dart allowance. And the dart will be 6 inches long. And then you're just going to sew it by 1/2 inch as shown. Now I went ahead to place my back pattern on my front pattern as shown. Then I stitch it down at the shoulder as shown. Then go ahead to stitch the side by the allowance you added earlier. After joining, it should look like this. So I'm going to take the measurement round as shown, just so that I can cut out what I need for the gathered effect. So the value I have here ×2 or ×3, depending on how full you want it. So mine is ×3. And here is my fabric for that purpose. So I'll go ahead to run a gathering stitches on this part. Before the gathering, I'll fold the hem as shown and stitch it down. So I thought to show you the process of how I am gathering this. You are either going to pick the lower thread or the upper thread and you keep gathering this way. You will gather till you get the measurement you have on the waistline of your upper bodies. Alright. I will then attach my gathered parts to my upper bodies as shown, right side facing. Don't forget to use the midpoint as a guide. Then I will fix my zipper to this. So you can decide to wear it as a sleeveless like this, but then I'll be making a separate video of the sleeve just so that this video is not too long. For the belt, we have 2 belts, one for the left and one for the right. So each belt will be 30 inches long. It will be 5 inches wide, so that when you fold it this way, you stitch it down. You have 2 inches wide after stitching. Now after you are done with that, just open up this space here. You fix it, then you stitch it back. All right, you stitch it back. I may do a belt in mine and I may not, but for the sake of those who want a belt, that is all just what you have to do. All right, thank you for watching this video. God bless you. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.